Hello world, here is BITI, your Bitcoin trading informant. And here is the daily update about Bitcoin, what's going on with Bitcoin today, tomorrow, next week, next month, next year, forever. So here it is, the alternative, here is the Fear and Greed Index. And yes, we have 70 points, we have greed in the market. Guys, before we start with the TA, first of all, you need this one. You need this t-shirt, this BITI Bitcoin Trading Informant t-shirt. This is my first t-shirt and this is my brand new fashion store on internet here. It's named My Store 11597347. What a top name. I will put the description and the link in this YouTube video, and I hope you all will order my shirts, because as a positive and a good trader, you need the right fashion, you need the correct fashion, and you need this BITI shirt for trading. Very, very important. You have a lot of colors here, white and gray and red and blue and something else here. This is my first shirt. I will like to make more things here on my shop, but I need you guys to order this stuff here, and I hope you will have extra power with this shirt, extra mana, extra brain power, extra trading power, extra positive energy from all over BITI's world here. So, okay, but now, seriously, let's go into coinmarketcap.com. What's going on here? Bitcoin on the daily, it's going up a little bit with 2%. On the 7 days, it's going down with 4%. You can see it here also on the last 7 days chart here. It's a red day chart because of its down going. Bitcoin momently with 4%. Ethereum is going up a little bit today, but in the weekly also going down with 3.5%. So we have a red chart also here. BNB is going up today more as Bitcoin. In the week, it's going down not so much as Bitcoin, and you can see it's a red chart. We have ADA, Cardano here. Cardano in the weekly, 12.8% going to the upside. On the day, only 1.7. Polkadot's going up, very nice. XRP is going up today. Look at this, 14%. It's pumping here a little bit. Uniswap is going up with 7%. Litecoin 1.8%. Chainlink 1.6%. Nothing special here. Tether. Look at Tether. Tether is going up with 22% on the day. What a pump here. XLM is going up with 6%, Luna minus about 2%, and so on and so on and so on. What is the biggest loser coin of 24 hours? And what's the biggest winner? Here is the biggest winner, Harmony One. Look at this. Yesterday also, I think Harmony One was the biggest winner. Today also, Harmony One is mooning 139% on 7 days, on 24 hours, about 40% in the plus. What a damn thing here. Tether is going on also with 22%, and these coins are very, very nicely here. And what is the biggest loser of the day, the biggest loser of 24 hours? It's Phantom. Phantom is going down with 11.6%, Sia Coin 11.2%, and Avalanche AVX is going down with 8% also. We have here on the upside a very important and interesting dominance. What's going on with the Bitcoin dominance? You can see it now. Interesting. Bitcoin is losing dominance. Now 59.9% and Ethereum has 11.5%. Yesterday Bitcoin was over 61% and Bitcoin is losing market dominance. Very, very interesting here. Maybe if we have enough time, we will check that together a little bit later in detail. Let's check it. Now, here is the technical overview, the technical analysis. Here is the 1 day technical analysis from Tradingview, and you can see buy, strong buy on 1 day. On 4 hours, we have still, yesterday also, sell, sell, sell. On 1 hour, we have a mixed here, sell, strong sell, and a buy. And on 15 minutes, we have a sell and a strong sell for Bitcoin momently. Big time frame, everything is bullish, but on the short term, we have here problems. So let's go now deeper into our TA. Here is the Bitcoin 1 hour chart. This is the drawing from yesterday. And guys, if you saw my video yesterday, you know some things. If not, please watch it. It's a very important video. Here it is. We have here a triangle. We have this big triangle. We have the red line from the upside. We have the green line from the downside. Green line is the support. And Bitcoin is working in this triangle or slightly under this triangle. Momently it's breaking under the triangle again. So we need now a breakout for this triangle. I am hoping for a bullish breakout to the upside because I have a long position. I will tell you a little bit later here. For now, I know a lot of guys are telling us, okay, we will see a downgoing Bitcoin, we will see a bearish triangle breakout. And if this will happen, we should be prepared for both sides. It's always important to prepare for both sides. We have, if we are zooming out here, the technical target of this triangle to the downside, 49,000. Like this here. This is the technical target for a downgoing Bitcoin, for a downbreaking Bitcoin of this triangle. If Bitcoin will break out to the upside, we have a very, very nice target also with 67,000. So we have two targets. We are prepared for both directions. Momently, it's very, very difficult to trade it. You can see it. Bitcoin is not closing, or it's not going to a direction. You saw here a short breakout to the upside. This was a fake out. Then you saw a downgoing Bitcoin, a fake out to the downside, a closing candle. Oh my God, that's a bad thing. It's bearish. Let's go down. Let's short it. No, Bitcoin goes to the upside. All shorters lost money here. It's back in the triangle. Okay, let's go in now. It's back in the triangle. We are going to the upside. No, Bitcoin is going to the downside again. And that's the big thing. Bitcoin is going momently sideways since hours, since some days. You can see it. It's very hard to trade Bitcoin. I think we will see very, very soon a breakout to the upside or to the downside. You see here this Fibonacci lines, and you can see it. This Fibonacci line is a very important one. The 23.6. Bitcoin is holding this line momently. It's fighting with this line on 57,000. That's the big thing. To the upside, our big resistance momently is this red line coming from the upside here. And this green line is our big support. So we have two things we can make momently. We can draw this green line here new. Why? We have here a low, a next low, and the next low, a higher low and the next higher low, and we can draw this line here to this point, to this higher low. So we have now a new support line, and we can also do the same with this spike to the upside. We can set this line a little bit higher. So we have now still our trading triangle here, our perfect triangle, and that's the big thing now for Bitcoin. We have some time for the next maybe 1, 2, or maybe 3 days to close this triangle to the upside or to the downside, and that's the important thing now for the near future. We have to wait what's going on. We need a clear direction. Momently we are in the middle of this triangle, and we are fighting in the middle of this triangle. So maybe I will close my long position. I set a long position on, let me check this here. I have here my Bitcoin trading information channel. It's streaming live 24 hours, 7 days a week. Twitch TV, Bitcoin trading information, and on YouTube also. And you see there are a lot of things. Momentarily I'm playing a video here from yesterday's TA. You can see the 15-minute TA. You can see the 1-hour TA for Bitcoin. You can see here the 4 hours. Here is Ethereum, the 15-minute chart. I'm trading also Ethereum. You can see here buy and sell signals, long and short signals, total buy and sell, total long and shorts. You can see here a quick overview of all cryptos, and so on and so on. Very interesting things here. But I am in since 56,900. My stop loss is on 56,300. Withdrawing now this triangle with a new drawing of this triangle, I will change my positions a little bit. I have a long position. Yes, we have a downtrend like this here from the upside to the downside. That's a bearish downtrend. We are still in the downtrend, and we are momently holding our 23.6 Fibonacci. I will set a new position here, guys, because we have an uptrend, also an uptrend in the downtrend, and this is the uptrend momently. And if we are breaking our uptrend to the downside, if we are breaking out under this last low, I will set a new stop loss. This was the last low, and if we are breaking under this low, we have a problem, and I will set a new stop loss at 56,800. So my entry was at 56,900. My stop loss 56,800, and it's not so bad if I'm losing this trade if I'm closing it. If we are making a lower low here, we have problems, and we may see a downgoing Bitcoin again. So I will set my stop loss position under this. Here you can see on the 1 hour chart this ribbon band, the red ribbon band. We have a short position since here with the ribbon band. Yes, we have a fight with the ribbon band, but we had no breakout. We are still under the ribbon band. That's the bad news. Also bad news are the EMA 200 line. This yellow line is now our resistance, not our support. It's a resistance, and Bitcoin has to fight in the 1 hour chart against the ribbon band, against the EMA 200, and that's not so cool here for the moment for a bullish Bitcoin. We have a positive thing momently, but we may see a cross very soon. We have momently the blue line over the brown line here. That's the MACD, and that's a bullish thing here, but you can see it, we may cross it very soon. And if we cross the blue line now with the brown line, we may see a dump here again with Bitcoin. So I will show you this video very, very soon on my live stream here, because it's very important now for you to see. Maybe I make another video today. I will show you more information about this, but I think it's so important for you to see this video here very, very soon. Let's zoom out a little bit on the 4 hour chart, what's going on here with the greater time frame. And here is the picture, very bad. MACD is bearish, the blue line is under the brown line. We are fighting in the triangle, we are fighting in our uptrend, okay, in the downtrend, in the uptrend, okay. The ribbon band is the green one, we are fighting in the ribbon band, and our MA200 is coming from the downside, so it's not very, very nice. We closed our Bitcoin here under the ribbon band, under the highest ribbon band. That's the bearish thing here, momently on the 4 hour chart. Let's watch the daily chart. What's going on with the daily chart here? And I showed you last time, we are all in a big rising wedge here. You can see it like this here, that's the big rising wedge, and we have place to go down. Yes, we have enough place to go down here on this rising wedge, and you can see it. If we are going down, the rising wedge is momentarily on 53,000 the price. We have some space. Bitcoin is on 57,000. Yes, it can go down very soon, very fast to 53,000. Why not? This is our big support on the big time frame. We have to watch this support. The biggest support ever is 43,000, but I would not like to talk about it. We need to hold 53,000. That's very, very important here for this thing. I would like to make a very quick ABC correction. This ABC correction is very, very important for the next time, maybe, what's going on with Bitcoin. We are going in very fast in the 4 hour chart. Let's close the MACD. We need more space here. BITI needs more space. And here is the 4 hour chart. We are going into the ABC correction. Let me find it. Here is the ABC. I think this was the highest point. I think this was the lowest A, this was B, and this was the lowest point C. This was our correction. Now we had an upgoing Elliott wave, 5-wave Elliott wave from 0 to 1 to 2, 3. Now it's a little bit complicated. Let's say it was 4, and this was the highest point, 5. Okay, it's going on. This was 5. Now we saw, in my opinion, the ABC correction here, and the ABC correction starting from the highest point here, going down to the downside like this. We saw a B, and now we saw a C. So in my opinion, ABC correction has finished. We are now in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 upgoing Elliott wave, and that's the next thing to watch now on the 4 hour chart. What's going on? We have here, maybe we can look in the future a little bit, upgoing point 1, point 2. This was a higher point 3, point 4, and maybe we see a point like this, point 5. That's possible, but that's too much magic glass reading for BITI here. So guys, the important thing, you know the important thing now. We have the important things in the 1 hour chart. I will close this video for today because it's so important to see it very soon. If you are setting a stop loss like me here on 46,800, that's the point under the point 4. I hope we will see upgoing Bitcoin to the fifth wave here, maybe to 50%. Greetings to 50 cent out there. Maybe to 50% to 59,000. That's very, very nicely. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, that's all for today. Special greetings out there to my community. Special greetings to Crypto Sharknado, Mirko Bak, to who's on here, lots of you. Here is, let me show, Skelly. He was writing here. Matt Matthew is writing here. and so on and so on and so on. Special thanks to Xavier, my top #1 Bitspearer last week. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for this. Place #2 last week, Matt Matthew. Thank you very much. Troll, you are place #3. Troll Magulijuti. Thank you very, very much for cheering and supporting me. And the top 3 spender, the gift spender, the sub spender here, Mirko Bak, once again, 11 gifts. Thank you so much for supporting my channel here, so much. And place #2. Oh, that's what's going on with my internet. Sorry, I have to go to full HD here. I can't read anything here. What's going on? Place #2 is a new guy here. I never saw him. I never speak with him. But now I can see it. My internet is going very, very slowly here. Let me see. Here it is. Here it is. Rich Concepts. 10 subs. Thank you so much, Rich Concepts. And place #3. Thank you very, very much, Empire, for 1 gift here, for 1 subspender here. Guys, thank you so much for supporting me. I hope we see us very soon. Greetings to all. It doesn't matter if you're going long or if you're going short. I wish you make millions out there. Guys, I am not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. Greetings, yours BT, and buy this shirt. Bye bye.